Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Chick, and today we are going to continue Superliminal. It has been great so far. I do have to say I'm very tired, so my energy is going to be a lot lower than normal. But I had just tried to record this section of this gameplay, and I just figured out that my capture card wasn't recording properly. So I have rectified that situation, and here we go. It is 6 a.m. and that is why I'm tired as fuck. Shh. Just fair warning, I'll be yawning a lot. We went through, or I've gone through this portion already, so it'll seem like it's pretty quick. I got to a part where I was like, oh my god, it's amazing. We're just gonna kind of speed run through this. There's no point in me messing around. And everything was purple. Make it small. It's really tiny. The only reason I know why to bring the door with me, I literally just did this, but I walked around the room for a few minutes, and then, you know, these are bolted to the floor, so you can't use them, but that was the only thing that was around that you could pick up and take with you. I also figured out that I like smooth jazz. It's number 7. There we go. Even though it goes away pretty quick. And then this is what we figured out was going on with this, which that's weird. Did you freeze? Anyway, so when I got through this, I was like, oh, so I can change the height due to perception. The farther away you get to it, you see how it just keeps stacking? It makes everything just a little bit smaller because I'm keep looking down as I'm going. Very cool concept. I loved it so much. And then you got another door. And I'm just gonna walk up because I'm a boss-ass bitch. So essentially, it did take me a minute to go through these originally. It made me very sad. And then it fucked with my stuff. I hated that. Oh, I didn't actually get to see this though. Interesting. Hopefully I didn't miss anything in there. Boop. Button?
Attention.
Okay.
Dr.
Touch
Pierce
buttons.
requires you to note the following risks of dream overexposure. Significant memory loss, both quantitative and qualitative.
Oh, I hated this.
Hallucinations
Oh.
of dreaded or annoying objects. Unrealistic beliefs about the lengths of hallways.
I was
and
thinking
other
I was
side
done with
effects
you.
Which have not yet been discovered or which cannot be understood.
And of course it continues. Oh, I didn't think I was that far away, but that's okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, shut up. You have no idea how much I hate this. So this whole round is based off of duplicating things, which I thought was super cool. And then, of course, that was the case. Yeah. Alright. I was like, oh my god, thank god it stopped. So, whole round duplication. Super cool. I really like it. And of course... Thank you. I appreciate you smacking me in the face. Oh, is this good enough? I would love it if it was. Yes, it is. Alright. I do really love, like, the color scheme that they choose almost for each one. Oh, yeah, and the little smiley face. Look at him. He's so cute. He's so adorable. He's in the dark. You can't see him in a peekaboo. There's nothing super special. Could not exactly get this one. I think I cheated. Like, I had this big ass apple. Because obviously the apple is on the button. And you're like, how do I move this? I'm pretty sure you're supposed to like drop it and move it out of the way. Ha! Like that. Son of man. Isn't that smart? I like jazz, please. Thank you. This one, oh my lord. Okay, so I will just kind of reenact this one. This is basically all of what the previous video that I recorded was about. For a good solid 30 minutes. And then you got the fan that just goes swoop. Exactly. There's not much that goes on here. I literally tried taking apples up the stairs by just like respawning a shit ton up the stairs, but they kept rolling down and that didn't work. And I stood up here for the longest time because we're dealing with buttons that are, when you push it, it opens. Like any other level. So I'm sitting here just like this, just watching giant ass apples. The idea clicked with me though on actually how to do these levels when I was like, oh, if I put it up here, if I click here, it is actually respawning at a higher point than the apples that are closer to me. And so I was like, oh, look, if I go like this, technically, I'm gonna spawn one that's right here. Look at it. But I want a bigger apple for this. Boop. Nope, maybe not enough. Boop. See? See how fucked up that was? Ugh. I was pissed. I honestly spent a 30-minute video and a majority of that was messing with those fucking apples.
Numerous spelling and grammar mistakes into the standard orientation protocol in a desperate
Hello,
attempt to
phone.
counsel you. I have no subroutine to correct these errors, but I cannot compromise the integrity of the standard orientation protocol.
Arizona
You will
tea.
not receive these messages.
Best tea
They
in the
would
world.
not make sense regardless.
I would love a sponsorship. Hint, hint. Nudge, nudge. Don't tell anybody, though. Alright. Walking, 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 walking. At the same time, I did also go up top here already. No, there's nothing up there. There wasn't a blueprint or anything. But when I figured out the apple stuff, I was like, alright, well, now we're going opposite. Oh, look at that. No. Whatever. And literally the whole video was just me spamming the left mouse click button. Go. Boop. And I basically did the same thing here, just made a giant spam. And then, okay. I just exploded everything. It was basically the same thing, right-clicking to take everything away, and probably would be like, Corinne, how can you not get through the door when everything's in the way? You just right-click and it sucks it all back up. Nothing special here. Can't even touch the flashlight I was disappointed about or anything here. I was just walking through. Oh, this was fun though. So everything is duplicated.
Continues to input significant errors.
I
will
wanted a
interpret
soda.
his basic ideas. Hello, my introductions are redundant. I am a real doctor who went to doctor school. VR has never been a mistake. I can help
But look
you,
at that.
but I also do
I
not
came out of the
know
vending
how.
machine.
Transmission ends.
So I sat here making so many vending machines. The whole previous video that I had made. Spamming the left click. I'm gonna break my mouse. See, I'm a little confused since I've had to play this again because I want you guys to see everything. I have not found or did not find the blueprint for this level. And then Dr. Glenn Pierce is losing his goddamn mind.
Hello, name is my Pierce Dr. Glenn. To the Somnosculpt Welcome Experience, team of your care leader, patient years 10 development. Conditions struggle you whatever with?
And then, of course,
Professional
apples are about
invention.
the level.
Edge
Made a
science
point to
with
say.
cutting,
I'm
a
very
tomorrow
actually
can bright.
happy about the, like each time you go into the elevator, it's something about the previous level, like what you just went through. I like it. I like it a lot. Oh my god, it's 7 a.m. Shit. This part I have not played. So... Oh. Okay. Are you lucid dreaming? Please head to the exit to wake up. I don't want to wake up from a lucid dream. Oh my god. Why would you want to do that? Lucid dreaming's the shit. There's my room. Suite F. I'm in Suite F. I never actually turned around to look to see what suite I was in. Interesting. The relaxation room. Oh, so that's what's with all the clouds. Interesting. What's over here? Can't hit that. About us, our mission. Don't really care about that either. I wonder if it'll... Did you see that? So, excuse me, error. Hello? No?
Hello, my name
so
is
you're
Dr.
normal
Glenn
now.
Pierce. This is a notification that you have reappeared on our monitoring system after a prolonged absence.
Oh, so you found...
Please continue to do whatever you did most recently, and discontinue whatever you were doing immediately prior to that.
Suite A. Suite A is the janitor closet? Oh, so you're just telling me to go back to what I was doing before. Oh, please tell me nothing's duplicated. Oh, thank God. Oh, by the way, in the previous one that I had recorded, I got the fire alarm achievement. Nothing happened, which is sad. Nothing really happened. Oh, well. Okay. I don't like that. No way, no way, no way, no way. I already know what this is. You don't have to be smart to not do this, but holy what? Ah! Okay. Let's just, can you not go against the freaking wall? Thanks. Thank you. Oh my god, I'm tiny. Ah! Oh, I'm really tiny. Holy shit. I'm so tiny that I can't even... Oh my god, this is dope. I'm getting very slap happy right now. I think I'm too big now. Can I just... Is that good? That's good. I seem normal now. Yep. Dream soda! Okay, we can't work in the cardboard house, I guess. Wait, what isn't that? Okay, well, I'm gonna go here. Oh shit, no way. I have to make myself tiny? Oh, well, that was a mindfuck. What the heck? I see a podium over here. No blueprint. Is there a blueprint on the house? Do I even need to check? Nope. But guess who's gotta be tiny? Me. Oh my god. I'm a mouse. I'm a rat. Oh man, I move slow, super small. Boop, boop. And then how much you want to bet I'm going to be normal size? Look, I'm normal size. Am I going to be normal size when I go back out this way? Or am I going to be tiny? No, I'm still going to be tiny. Okay. Perspective. Okay. Do I need that for something? Yeah, because that's where a window goes. The fuck? It slowed down. That's so cool. All right. Take your trash elsewhere. It didn't like the radio. That was messed up. Sorry, guys, if I'm making you motion sick, but... Oh my god, I'm in love. Can I take you with me? I'm taking you with me. I'm just gonna walk this. No? No? Do I gotta follow the red cord? Go follow the red cord. Oh, I have no music. I feel like I'm missing something. Yes.
Hello, my name is Dr. Glenn Pierce.
Of course.
In addition to continuing and discontinuing as mentioned earlier, please also disregard any unsettling experiences that you may have recently had.
Oh, the one where you were having a
Everything should have now
stroke?
reverted to being soothing and therapeutic. If this is not the case, you may be receiving this message in error.
Nope. No error. I think that was absolutely correct. Dr. Glenn Pierce was having a stroke. Because that is 100% how electricity works. Because the end of a plug should be sparking when there's no electricity attached to it. And this should 100% be happening. Yep, 100%. Glad we got that covered. Fuck that radio. Are we going back into another nightmare? Oh my god, giant Jenga. Oh my god, giant Jenga. Giant Jenga. Giant Jenga, giant Jenga, giant Jenga. But I don't want to get through it appropriately. Look at that. It's all the way up there. All right. Well, I'm going to leave this episode here, guys. Just because that looks like a ton of fun and I want to make that its own thing. But yeah. So if you would like to see more videos that I have created, please subscribe and hit that notification bell and give this video a big thumbs up. And just letting y'all know that I'm not crazy. You're crazy. All right, we'll see you next time, guys. Bye.